Worst AT-AT ever. He has no neck. He has a gigantic butt with like all kinds of junk in his trunk. Look at him.
And even pigs.
You got pigs inside you, sir. Hey! Don't call me that.
And the lightsaber in the background.
There's a pig saber in the background, a red pig saber. And here's all the birds that are going to do the damage.
It's going to get so destroyed.
All right, ready? Maybe you missed the action, sweetie.
That was not action at all.
Oh, just...
He just got...
Plop!
The bird...
That bird said plop. I'm going to plop right here. Boom. Uh-oh.
It's like it almost fell down.
I know, it got him a little bit. Just going to take one more hit. And it's going to knock that Buttfeather AT-AT down. Hey, guys, I'm not... Yeah.
Are you and Riley ready for a hamburger?
Just about. Where he's knocking over his Angry Birds.
Gradually do them. Instead of like all at one time, just gradually.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I'm ready whenever.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Ah, this Buttfeathers.
Hey, don't call me that. I'm an AT-AT. I just look stupid. Alright. Because I got a lot of extra rods in my back half doesn't mean you have to call me Buttfeathers.
I'm Buttfeathers.
Oh, the worst AT-AT ever. You get knocked down by birds. Ah! My Buttfeathers. I mean, my back end. Ready? Hi, sweetie. Howdy. What's that? Oh! Okay, that wasn't supposed to happen. Worst bird flinging ever.
I want that in a bird.
That's what I'm saying. It was the worst bird flinging ever.
Where's
The bouncing birds.
this game is so hard to beat. I never know how.
Uh-oh, here comes Tweezilla. Careful, don't knock over the AT-AT. Where did that go? I just heard that hit the box over there. I was say, just pick up that book and throw it at it. Oh, here, Tweezilla might fix it. No, I was kidding. Let's see if you could actually beat it. Hey. Ah. Wow. Things are being flung every which way. There Yay! That's one way to solve it. Birthday. Smack a lack. Smack a lack a lack. Crack a lack. Get it. One more thing. One more good hit should do it. Ah! And that goes the end.
Not the end.
Oh yeah. Good job, sweetie. Kick it. Okay, well, stop throwing things. Twee, you're right next to it. You still missed it. You guys. Look at it. There we go. Say yay, woohoo. Good job, guys. Say